Hello, what's up everybody? My name is Kim and this is a tutorial series on Julia. So Julia is a high level programming language that that was bad, really bad. So I'm going to be taking you through Julia. So I just don't know how to make that official, so I just talking about that. Me and you we get each other. So Julia is a high level performance dynamic. Julia is a high level, high performance dynamic programming language, while it is a general purpose programming language that can be used to write any application. Many of its features are well suited to numeric analysis and computational science. So, well, Julia, you can use it pretty much to develop any application you can think of, like webs or even applications for their system applications, though they wouldn't work perfectly for such things like development of webs and system as it was meant for data scientists. So it has been optimized for numerical analysis and computations. So as of me, I've used Julia in development of web applications, and I think it's really nice. We have a framework built on top of Julia and it's called Genie. So Genie, I'll show you here. So Genie, you see, Genie is it's highly productive. It's almost like Django or Ruby on Rails or Laravel if you know any of those. So Genie is really nice. It was built on top of Julia by some, I think it was, yeah, you see here some of the contributors it has a larger group as of now. So you see these the contributors to the development of Genie. So that means that Genie is also really nice. So as of me, I've used Julia in developing this one. I used Genie in developing this, and then I used Julia in developing these applications. This one and this one. So these three applications are built on Julia in my case. So at least I can say that I have experience in using Julia because these are not the only ones. That these are what I just uploaded to GitHub some days back, some few months back when I was learning. So if you love to see them, you can come to my GitHub and or I add a link to my GitHub so that you can see this program. So this is the web that I did build on Genie. So you see it's really nice because I used React though in Genie, React and Genie. So if you know something called simplex, then you'll definitely understand this. But if you don't, then I won't talk about the program in any case. But I just wanted to show you that Julia does work very well in these things. So guys, as of now, that is everything we can talk about. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install Julia, where you come to julia.org and you'll download Julia version 1.53, I think, which was uploaded last, which was it's licensed under MIT, and then the stable release was released 4 months ago, 1.53. I also have the version. I have two versions too. So I have version 1.40, which I installed some early last year, and Julia version 1.53, which I installed also, I think, almost the same time, November last year. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to install it and then adding it to your environment variables, so that whenever you open the CMD and just type Julia, then you expect a Julia interactive session to be started for you in the terminal of the CMD. So I'll be showing you for Windows in the next video. So please guys, if you like this video, you can subscribe or share and to your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. I really appreciate if I get 20 subscribers after this video series. So goodbye.